In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print your entire chart of accounts in QuickBooks with ease. Whether you're doing this for record keeping to present to your accountant, or simply to have a physical copy on hand, I'll guide you through the whole process step by step, ensuring clarity and simplicity all the way through. To start, you'll need to log into your QuickBooks account. If you're not already on the homepage, simply navigate to cubo.intuit.com, where you'll enter your secure login information. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the QuickBooks homepage, which serves as your main dashboard. Let's take a moment here to appreciate how user-friendly QuickBooks is. The layout is designed to give you easy access to all the tools you need for keeping your accounting and bookkeeping tasks on track. From the homepage, look over to the top right corner. Here, you'll find the settings icon, which looks like a gear. Go ahead and click on that. The settings menu is incredibly helpful. It's like the control center for your entire QuickBooks account. In the settings menu, you have a wealth of options, but for today's task, we want to focus on something specific. We need to access your chart of accounts. This is the complete listing of all the accounts in your accounting system, integral for tracking every financial transaction that goes through your business. Click on the option labeled Chart of Accounts. This will bring you to a page displaying all the accounts you've entered in QuickBooks, outlining your expenses, liabilities, assets, and more. It's immensely useful for giving you a comprehensive view of your business's financial landscape. Before printing, take a moment to review your chart of accounts. Make sure it's up to date and reflects any recent changes in your finances for accuracy. Now let's move on to the final part. At the top right of this chart page, you'll see several buttons. Look for and click on the Print button. This will allow you to generate a printed version of your chart of accounts, giving you tangible access to these essential records. Before you print, you might want to preview the document to ensure it looks exactly how you want it. Adjust any settings if necessary, such as landscape or portrait orientation depending on your preferences and your printer's capabilities. And that's all there is to it. You now have your complete chart of accounts printed and ready for whatever needs you have. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes managing your financial records in QuickBooks just a little bit easier. Be sure to subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and how-tos, and don't hesitate to drop any questions or comments below. Thanks for joining me today, and happy bookkeeping.